I don't think too many could handle this kind of camping. It's definitely not glamorous. Because you don't spend the day inside. You know? This is just the canopy of my truck. Okay? That's it, man. I kicked back. It's nice and dry. My clothes are clean. I'm going to go take a shower here in a minute. This is my coffee cup holder. See? This is how I like to live life. Okay? It's like no frills. Who gives a shit? Okay? I'm comfortable, I'm warm, I'm dry, I'm kicking back, reading the news, sipping my coffee. Oh, and I have had an avocado on tostada this morning. No egg though. Too lazy. It's raining. It started to rain just as I was doing all that. So I'm gonna sit here and sip my coffee and read something about the news. I don't know. Most of it I don't even want to look at. Dream of other countries while I enjoy the peaceful, quiet dripping of the rain. And anyway, so I just thought I would give you a bird's eye view of the comforts, rather Spartan comforts, okay? But still comfort, okay? Warm clothes, clean clothes, you know. And let's see, I have, yeah, okay. Anyway, all right, I'll see you later. I love you, bye.